What if I told you there's a tiny creature that can survive in outer space? And it's probably living in your backyard right now? Tardigrades, water bears, 8 legs, a vacuum cleaner mouth, and they've been around since before the dinosaurs. Oh, and NASA already sent them to space. Twice. Boiling water? Fine. Frozen solid for decades? No problem. 1,000 times more radiation than would kill a human. Shakes it off. It even survived being shot out of a gun at 3,000 miles per hour. This 1-millimeter animal might be the key to deep space travel. Follow for more wild science.